Making this gift card box is so easy. Begin with a 6" by 10" piece of cardstock, and along the long side, score at 1 inch, 4.5 inches, 5.5 inches, and 9 inches. Turn it 90 degrees and score at 1 inch and 5 inches. The next step is to cut along each of the short sides of the cardstock along the score line to the intersecting score line. I like to do a little mitering, which is just a small triangle on either side of that score line to give the box a more finished look. Turn to the long sides and do the same. When you are making a 3D object, such as a box, you will want to use a very sticky adhesive. For this one, I used the tear and tape adhesive and applied it to each of the tabs in the 4 corners and in the center of the long sides. Next, you'll use your bone folder to burnish the score lines. Make sure they are all burnished towards the inside of the box. Now when you are ready to assemble the box, remove the adhesive from the center tabs and attach them to the same sides as well as the front as shown. The lid will move freely, so you only attach the corner tabs to the front piece of the box. For the pop-up piece inside the box, you need a 2" by 9" piece of cardstock, and you will score it at 1 and 2 inches, 4, 5, and 6 inches, and 8 inches. Use your bone folder to burnish all of the score lines in the same direction. Then you will add tear and tape to the 1st inch of that piece of cardstock. Then you can remove the adhesive with that piece of that little flap folded over and just fold the other side flat onto it. Then you have this perfect rectangle ready to go on the inside of your finished box. Fold the selvage or the first edge up and then attach the tear and tape over the edge all the way to the 4 inches. Inside your finished box, put that edge, that first edge, inside first with one of the score lines matching the hinge for the lid, as shown. Use a few glue dots to attach your gift card to the pop-up section.